So there are two aspects to this. So one is when you wear slippers, you are obviously walking on the road, and you are stamping on God knows what sort of filth. Someone with tuberculosis spat and you stamped on that, or someone peed, or someone did something else, someone's pus oozed down, and so you don't know what you are stamping on, and you don't want all those bacteria, viruses coming into your house. And there was a study that not wearing slippers at home keeps at least 10,000 different bacteria and viruses away from your house. So this was one reason. So because temple was a public place, so the temple authorities had the need to keep it hygienic and clean. Like cleanliness is godliness, वो रेलवे स्टेशन में लिखा रहता है, so something similar. But there was one more purpose. A lot of people don't know कि जब एक भगवान का जो आइडल होता है, जो उसका स्थापना होता है, तो वो स्थापना करने के पहले they actually go and select a certain place. वो टेम्पल बनाने के लिए ही देर इज लॉट ऑफ वास्तुशास्त्र दैट गेट्स इन्वॉल्व कि किस डायरेक्शन में होना चाहिए, गॉड शुड बी फेसिंग ईस्ट, एंड कौन से इसमें होना चाहिए, हाउ इज द ग्रेडियंट ऑफ द लैंड, इज इट नॉर्थ स्लोपिंग और साउथ स्लोपिंग और ईस्ट स्लोपिंग और वेस्ट स्लोपिंग, बहुत ज़्यादा काफ़ी डिटेल्स गेट इन्वॉल्व. वील नॉट गेट इन टू दैट राइट नाउ. Thing was northeast corner was always the best corner because that's where sunrise, and north is Vishnu, south is Yamaraj, so south not so great. Now when a idol was, जब उसका प्रतिष्ठा होता है, when idol is established, उसके नीचे they would put a lot of gold coins and silver coins and copper coins and all, and they would also put some copper yantras. तो बेसिकली पर्पस वाज कि अर्थ का जो भी वो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है, जो भी है, वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, हम लोग करंट नहीं देख सकते, हम लोग इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिज्म नहीं देख सकते, बट देयर इज मैग्नेटिक, हाउ इज ग्रेविटी हैपनिंग, राइट? सो समथिंग इज देयर. तो वो मेटल्स वुड कंडक्ट एंड पास इट टू द आइडल, right? And that's how when you went to certain temples, you would actually feel as if you are in a trance. You would actually feel that peace. Or also what would happen, uska after this is done, then there is something called a prana pratishtha that happens to the idol. So idol के अंदर में भगवान का आवाहनम होता है कि you get the life into the idol. So basically, and this especially happens in South Indian temples where you're not allowed to touch the idol, right? And they actually treat the idol as a living form. And आपने ये देखा होगा कि after people visit temples, they go around, they circumambulate clockwise, 3 बार करेंगे या 1 बार करेंगे या 7 बार करेंगे, जो भी है. So the purpose of this circumambulation was to go around this force field, कि ये इतना पावरफुल कि आपको वो नेचुरल फील्ड आपको आ रहा है, एंड ओनली इफ योर अर्थ यू विल बी एबल टू गेट दैट, नहीं तो आपको कुछ नहीं मिलना, right? And then your system then fixes itself. See, you are born out of this earth only. You are not come from, you have not come from somewhere from the sky. आप जो भी हो, जैसे भी हो, आप यहीं से हो, आप पंच तत्व से ही बने हुए हो. And these panch tat would actually affect you, and that's why they would also give you तीर्थम, जो जल देते हैं, उसमें भी there are lot of these medicinal herbs that तुलसी रहता है और कैम्फर रहता है, और वो सब they offer to the devotees, and that was and just because by that a lot of things like headaches and cold, ये सब कुछ आपका avoid हो जाता था. तो temples were not just social places for prayers, but they were also they served as mini clinics to avoid a lot of unwanted diseases and common cold. बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, you don't want that. So that's why temple में slippers were not allowed क्योंकि there's no purpose. Please do subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Please do share this with your near and dear ones so that we can together figure out the third largest religion of the world.